powerful nor'easter packing heavy snow and torrential rain slams the Northeast overnight. The storm reportedly to blame for at least 2 deaths, one in New York, the other in Maine, as it bears down on the eastern seaboard. Upstate New York and Vermont seeing upwards of 12 inches of snow in the past 24 hours. And may get 10 more before this week is over. Further south, officials issuing flood warnings from Boston to New York. Record-setting rain in New York City nearing 3 inches. The most rain ever on Tuesday's date, December 9th.
We're stuck at home, until this dies down.
A bad day for air travel, too. Over 1,000 flights canceled on Tuesday and more than 2,500 delayed. Near Boston, Massachusetts, freezing rain creating treacherous black ice on roadways.
It was terrifying, actually. I was out of control for like 10 seconds.
Causing multiple rollovers and spinouts. This SUV helplessly sliding into parked cars, sending it coasting down a neighborhood street.
Couldn't stop the car. It was so icy.
Even the sidewalk was dangerous. And a lot of snow came down as well. Killington, Vermont, although you will take it up there in the ski resort, 14 inches. Take that. Albany, only 1.5 inches. So it really depends on where you are. And more snow coming down today, especially here in the higher elevations, either around Buffalo, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County, Syracuse, going to pick up another foot of snow. Now, that foot of snow is not going to get down to New York City. It's not going to get to Philadelphia. But there will be flurries in the sky in New York for effect, I guess, for the next couple days as the storm does come, just sits there and spins for a while before it finally exits. The next story we'll be talking about is a major storm in the west. We'll get to that in the next couple days, but this will put feet of snow in the Sierra, rain on the desert, parched areas of Northern California. They really need this storm. They just don't need the flooding that's going to come with it.